from Sherwood Ford here. Thanks for coming along for this virtual test drive of the 2018 F-150. You know, you'll love everything about the best-selling vehicle in Canada. From its innovative technology through its capability, Lariat is ready to perform as a daily driver and also on the tough job site. Today we're going to go through some of the standard and available features on the Lariat. The Lariat is available in three different equipment groups. This is the 502A package, so that's going to bring you a lot of the luxury features that have set the bar for pickup trucks. Be comfortable in all seasons with heated and cooled front seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. We've even got heated seats in the back row as well. With Sync Connect, it brings you the Ford Pass app. You can virtually start your vehicle from anywhere. You can also see where your vehicle is parked, unlock and lock your doors, and you can do that all from an app on your smartphone. As part of the 502A group, the Sony audio system has been replaced with the all-new B&O Play audio system from Harman. Now this system gives you 750 watts on a 9-channel amplifier, brings you 10 high-performance speakers, 2 ultra-high-performance speakers, and a subwoofer. So this system can really deliver premium audio. The voice-activated navigation, entertainment, and information system allows you to pair your mobile device so you can keep your hands on the wheel, your eyes on the road, and still stay connected. LED spotlights on the side mirrors make it easy when it's dark out to get some visibility on each side of your vehicle. Speaking of lighting, LED quad beam headlights and tail lights dramatically improve your visibility during nighttime driving. During daytime, blind spot information system will help you to stay more visible during lane changes, keep track of vehicles in your blind spot, and with cross traffic alert can detect a crossing vehicle when you're reversing. Ford gives you the power of choice with several engine options paired to the 10-speed transmission. The most popular being the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, the 5-liter V8 engine, and the newly available 3-liter Power Stroke diesel engine with class-leading fuel economy. No matter your engine choice, you'll have the confidence to tow with class-leading 13,200 pounds of towing capacity when properly equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package and the integrated trailer brake controller. The 502 equipment group also includes the Sport Appearance Package. It's going to give you unique alloy wheels, a paint-matched 2-bar front grille, paint-to-match front and rear bumpers, as well as door handles and side mirrors. You also get this flow-through console with the center shifter. If you enjoyed this virtual test drive, I invite you to take a real test drive with one of our sales consultants to learn even more about the 2018 F-150 Lariat. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the drive.